Right. As of now, Spring Boot supports multiple embedded servers. Number one, Tomcat. Number two, Jetty. Number three, Jonas. Actually, not Jonas, it's Undertow. Undertow is given by JBoss people. Jetty is given by Eclipse people. Eclipse is not just ID, it's a bit more than that. Like Facebook is also like initially started with the social media. Now they are into multiple places, right? Now they realize, okay, Meta is the company name and remaining are the products of the company. Similarly, you have to now look at Eclipse as what? Vendor company. And one ID name is Eclipse. ID is one product and its name is also Eclipse. It has become more bigger than that. So actually entire JWE module now is under the monitoring of Eclipse people only, where they changed Java name to Jakarta, right? Where they changed Java name to what? Jakarta package. Okay, whatever it is. Fine. Now let us see how to work with what? Various ID, various servers. Various servers. One by one we will discuss, guys. Fine. And other day I said we can keep HTML files in static folder or not there. We can happily keep HTML files in static folder. What do you say, guys? Right. Where is this? 718. Here is the launch. Yeah, tomorrow, how many sessions you have got? 2 sessions. What are those? 7 a.m. Not 7 a.m. exactly, 7:15 a.m. and 7 p.m. Both are offline and online. You can attend both offline and online. That's your wish. Okay. 7:15 a.m. 4th floor room and 7 p.m. your regular room. So what is the topic we are going to discuss? How to interact with multiple database software. Our focus is on what? How to interact with what? Multiple DBs. That is what we are going to discuss, right? Yes. Yeah. Spring starter project, guys. Spring starter project. Okay. Boot. What's the project? Boot MVC pros. Boot MVC pros. Number 18. 18. Okay. 16. Where is that? Servers. Okay. I want to work with only embedded servers, guys. Right. Where? Spring Boot MVC. That's fine. What, guys? No. I want to work with only embedded server. Then where is not required? First, listen the class, Ra. Okay. Okay. Spring Web. Okay. Spring Web. I think I just want to take simple things only, not big things. Safe finish. Sir, how to create APIs? We create APIs by using Spring Race. And after today's topic, next topic is what? Spring Race. Oh, Diva. APIs, distribute application, RESTful web services, all these are same. Okay. On Sunday, there is no class or not. Chetan, there is no class on this Sunday. Okay. There's no class. Yeah. So now let's see what we can do, and what we have to do. Let's understand this, guys. 7:14. 714. File, where is this? Already created project, right? Yes. And in most of the server, index.html acts as a default welcome file now, boss. And I already said, forget about web app folder. There is a static folder. If you keep any resource in static folder, that automatically goes to what? Web root folder. And index.html is default welcome file in many things. All right. So boot MVC pros, how much? Mini project 16 is coming here. Why? Boot MVC 016 I kept. Let's keep only 16. Themeleaf 16 servers. Okay. I'll not waste the time. There is a static folder. Okay. There is a static folder. There is no HTML stuff. I'm taking HTML file. Okay. Here is what? Index.html. Say next, say finish. Yeah, this is only for our purpose, guys. Leave it all this stuff. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? H1 style. What color? Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Where is that? Welcome to Spring Boot MVs. What's there? Welcome to Spring Boot MVs. We are taking this one as what? Welcome to Spring Boot MVs. We are ready with this story or not there? Right click, guys. Tell me. Run on server. No, I don't want to use external server. I want to use only embedded Tomcat. Okay. No, we have to use on main class, guys. Run on server should always happen on main class. Yeah, it will use embedded server, but problem is what? Default port number of embedded Tomcat is 80, but 8080 is already occupied in my computer with one or other service related to Oracle na boss. That's why we are going to get the error here. So how to sort out this problem? Yeah. Go to this place. Tell me. Where is this embedded server port? Server dot port. Where is this? 5051. Server dot port 5051. Right click, run as Java application. HTTP// enter key. I think I have taken 5051. 5051. See. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC has come or not there? No, sir. I want to have a context path. Let's see the Am I audible, guys? Am I visible? Now check. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it happens, guys. Don't think much. Server dot servlet dot context path. Server dot servlet dot context path. Tell me, guys. Test app01, right? Something, guys. Why I should give your only? I can. Okay. Test web app. Test web app. That's good. Right click, guys. Tell me. Run on Java application. Okay. 5050 error will come. Okay, let's go for slash. What is there? Test web app. No, it's not 01. It's a test app only. What I have taken is test web app only. That's it. What? Ah, fine. These people are good in throwing biscuits. I know that. Array, use some biscuits for your superiors after joining companies, right? There you have to serve some biscuits to your superiors. Okay. Now, okay. Should be okay. Okay. Let's see. Stay there. 5 minutes until. Right. Listen the class then. Okay, fine. So it's working with the embedded Tomcat server by default. Okay. It's really dealing with what? Embedded Tomcat server by default. What do you say, guys? It is definitely dealing with what? Embedded Tomcat server for some time or not there? Okay. Server dot servlet dot context path test web app, right? Right click or run as Java application. Say refresh. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. It is working with embedded Tomcat, guys, but I don't want embedded Tomcat. I want Jetty server. Look at the pom.xml. Am I adding embedded Tomcats jar separately, or it is coming because of web starter? It is coming because we have added what? Web starter. It is coming because we have added what? Web starter. Am I adding Tomcat server starter separately, guys? So I am not interested to remove web starter, but I want to remove one of its dependent starter, that is Tomcat. I want to remove one of the dependent starter, that is Tomcat. So what should I do? You know that dependency hierarchy. Here, what is the option we have to use? Exclude option. I think we keep on using that this one for a long time. This is the main starter, guys, and only one starter I have added. Okay, Bilbo. Okay, only one starter I have added. Here, somewhere you can see Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat starter or Tomcat related thing. 1 minute. I don't want to waste my time. Tomcat. Tomcat is not coming up. That is Tomcat core. I'm just looking. Is there any other Tomcat, guys? Tomcat embedded core is there. Apart from that, any other word is there or not there? Yeah. Which one? Spring Boot starter Tomcat I'm looking for. Yeah, this is the one. Spring Boot starter Tomcat, that is the main one. I have to exclude that starter that is coming because of the other. Okay, exclude Maven artifact. Save okay. Exclude Maven artifacts. Save okay. That's good. What is there, guys? That's good. Yeah. Right click. Run as what? Right click. Run as Java application. So I have to run the main class, guys. What is there? Run the main class. Run as Java application. Here is the story of run as Java application or not there. Yeah. The problem is, listen. I did one mistake here. I removed Tomcat, but I have to add other server, na? So without adding that server, how you can get it? Impossible. So that's why right now no server is there. Do you think this application runs, guys? You will get error. This site cannot be reached because no server, no deployment, no application. How does it will work, my dear? Definitely it will not work, right? Okay. So let it be Moss. That's not a big issue now. Okay. Hmm. MVC about to complete. That's when network also started working. You and your joke. Very bad joke, Ra. You read once, you also will not get laugh. Hmm. Okay, fine. Yeah, what I was talking about? What I was talking about? Yeah, I have to open mvnrepository.com or not there. mvnrepository.com. Tell me here. Where is this? Spring. What is there? Spring context support. What support? Not context. Mhm. Spring Boot starter Jetty. Spring Boot starter Jetty. Yeah, this one. Okay. I select anything, guys. 4.0 also I can take. But listen, there is no need of writing version because version will be picked up automatically. This is my pom.xml, guys. This is my pom.xml. In this pom.xml, yeah, I know, Ra. I only taught all these things to you, Ra. Don't forget that. Open the tab, sir. Okay, fine. This fellow is overexcited fellow, right? Okay. What is there? Java application. Java application. Yes. Here is what? Refresh. You will get the website, we will get the web page. That's not an issue. What is the server that is running? Already Jetty is there, na boss? Jetty web server. What is the server it is started? Jetty. So it's same project, but it is running in Jetty. This proves Java web applications are Vada applications, Idli Vada applications. Write once, deploy any. Hey, not only external Tomcat, you can take external other servers also. You can deploy our applications anywhere of your choice. Okay, fine. That's good, guys. Tell me now. No, I'm not interested in what Jetty. I want to go for Undertow. I'm interested to work with what? Undertow. MVN repository, come to this place. Here you search for Spring Boot starter. Where is this? Undertow. Click on search. Spring Boot starter Undertow. 3.5.7. Array version not important. It will pick up the version automatically. You are going to just remove the version. Say paste. Say paste. Yeah, come to this. Come to this. Tell me. This is my what? Undertow. This is really my what? Undertow. Okay, got it? Yeah. Let's run the application, guys. Run on Java application. Run as Java application. That's good. Here is what? What is there, guys? 5051. It is running on what? Undertow started. Undertow is given by JBoss people, guys. But overall message is what? Undertow web server. What server? Undertow web server. Say refresh. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC or not there. So right now it is running in which server? Undertow server. I hope you got it, guys. Yes, we got some time. Actually, today if I start Spring Rest, again Monday I have to revise because tomorrow we are busy with what? How to interact with multiple database software. Tomorrow topic is not OAuth 2.x because other people are ready to attend that topic. That's why I have to teach that. Next Sunday we'll discuss about what? OAuth 2.x. How to interact with what? Multiple database software. That is our topic. Okay, na? How to interact with what? Multiple database software. Which server is best? Still Tomcat, embedded Tomcat is good. In application servers, you can work with what? Either Glassfish or Wildfly. You can use either Glassfish or what? Wildfly server. Okay. Now the question is, they are called web servers, guys. But Tomcat 7.x onwards, people calls it as application server. There's no wrong in that. Okay. Company, Tomcat, you ask, Chetan, you ask 100 times also, my answer is Tomcat. In a web servers list, Tomcat. In application servers list, Glassfish or Wildfly. Okay. Arsh, I will murder you. Spring security is already completed. Okay. Spring security is already completed. Now we are looking for OAuth 2.x. WebLogic, all these are outdated. WebLogic, all these are outdated, guys. Okay. So now I'll take one of the existing project and I'll mini project only. Why other thing? We'll try to deploy in what? Glassfish server. First we'll try it. Then if everything is okay, I will give the procedure of deployment, right? Okay. So now let's see. Okay. Arey Babu, after OAuth, we will get other topics, my dear. Please. Okay. Today, please upload classroom application. Diva, after how many days you are attending classes? Diva, last warning. Last warning. You don't know. You don't know when it is being uploaded also. I think exactly 3-4 days back I have uploaded. Waste fellows. When your MVC is not uploaded, I think. Are Diva, first attend classes regularly, ra. Okay. I think exactly 2-3 days back only I have uploaded, right? Fine. Till October 31st already been uploaded. Okay. Could you please share streaming API for Core Java if you have? Muhammad Akif. Muhammad Akif. Go to Naresh IT website, YouTube channel. There are so many faculties giving videos on what? Streaming API. That much lazy you are. Searching in YouTube also you don't have a. Fine, guys. Don't claim yourself as this generation programmers. Okay. One by one will come. Kubernetes I will conduct along with other batch students. I think one more batch started. Okay. Everything will be given. It takes time. If you want, it won't come next day. Right? First OAuth, then JWT, then other topics. Interceptor video, you catch your admin. I will also tell to the admin. Like at that day, some you have joining problems, right? Common empties, common videos file is empty. Yeah, fine. We'll fill up it. What is there in that? Yeah. Let's come back, guys. Since time is there, I want to give one word. How to deploy the application in what? Glassfish server. Okay, what first of all, let me check Glassfish latest version. Google.com, Glassfish server, latest version. Download. Eclipse Glassfish. Eclipse is a Glassfish is now with what? Eclipse people. Glassfish 7.x is the latest or something else is there? I think Glassfish 7.x, 7.0. JDK 17 and higher. Okay, that's good. Okay, fine. And it is supporting Jakarta EE 10 specification. That means it's a latest. Okay. All Eclipse Glassfish 7.x download. Download Glassfish 7 release. Download space. Okay. Download space. Where is downloads, guys? Array, this is download space only. More detailed specification, release notes. Array, where is download hyperlink, guys? Is there in the top? Huh? Where is that? I'm not getting. Yeah, download. This is it right? Eclipse Glassfish download. Started or not started? Where is that? This one? No, that is 6.x. This one? Distribution? Still down. Where is that? In these 4 links we have. Oh, I need as a zip file only, guys. I need as a zip. Zip. Web profile. This one. Which one I have to use? Maven coordinates. Okay, let's try this. Click on download. Hey, it's asking money. Yeah. No, I think donation. It asking for donation only. Already started. It's a download. If you have money, you pay it. Right. No, it's donation kind of thing. Sponsor the Eclipse community, get involved, stay connected with community. Eva Tadke. Okay. Okay. I'll donate for you. Come. Why to Eclipse Foundation? I will donate for you. Come. Okay. Hmm. I'm Richa Pura. That is not immaterial, but you come and ask me, I will donate. But it's a physical. It should be. You should have a physical appearance, right? Okay. You come and request me in offline, I will donate for you. Okay. My friend switch job from your batch, 4 lakh LPA to 12 lakh. For experienced people, market is really good, guys. Okay. Tomorrow, any selected candidate intro, yeah, many students intro is there, I will tell. Okay, 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. I'll introduce many students. Yeah. Right. That's good. Great. Fine. I think download completed, it seems. Come to what? This folder. Glassfish download folder. Yeah, downloads folder. Let's take a copy of it. Let's take the copy of it. Here is what? E-Drive, not E-Drive, D-Drive. Glassfish already there. Fine, unnecessarily wasted time. Huh? Glassfish 7 is already there in my system. Okay, fine. So anyhow, I'll keep one copy of it. What's wrong in that? Let's paste one so that in future we can use it. Say paste. Yeah. Glassfish 7.0 something. I think what I have got is what? Okay, let's use 7 latest only. What is there in that? Latest only. This is the one I pasted now, guys. Sure? No? Then what is the one I pasted? 1 minute. Glassfish. Yeah, that's the only one I got, guys. Go to downloads folder. Downloads 7.0. It is showing a lower version. That is 7.25. Okay, maybe this is the higher version. No much change is there. Not just some minor, only minor revisions are there, not the major revisions. D drive. Okay, what's happening? Say paste. Yeah, we got it. We extracted, guys. WinRAR. We extracted WinRAR. Tell me, extract to. Okay, soft. Yeah, we are extracting the software to this. Okay, now got it. Yeah, where is this? Glassfish. Glassfish. This one. Glassfish 7. Okay, here is what? Glassfish. Glassfish. What is there? Config. Okay, config. Somewhere this port number change we have to do, guys. Okay, I think I have to search for domains. Domain 1. Okay. Actually, there is a process of domain creation. There's a process of what? Domain creation. And for that one, some command is there. AS admin command is there. Bin directory AS admin command is there now, guys. It's been long time. Yeah. One logical, some logical domain I have to create, partition kind of thing. At that time, I can choose the port number. At that time, I can choose the port number. That possibility is there. Okay. Now tell me. But I forgot total syntax, guys. No problem. We have a Chat GPT, na? Yes. We have a Chat GPT. Yeah. Glassfish. AS admin command to create a domain having, okay, 7788 as the port number. Yeah, explanation. AS admin create domain, admin port 7878 and my domain name. And I think for that domain, I want to choose the username also. Yeah. There are some optional parameters na boss. Admin port number, domain. Okay. Now, how to go for username password will be there or will not be there? Okay. Hmm. Also give admin username and what password. Also add admin username and password. Hyphen user admin hyphen password. No file is required. I can type the password directly, right? And I'm choosing port number of my choice here or not there. Come to this guys. Say paste. Right, guys. Domain creation is very important. Create domain, admin port number 7, hyphen user admin, but I will write NIT Raja, admin password only, not file. Okay, all these things are not required. Password also I will write what? NIT Raja. Domain name is what? Okay, what is your batch code? NTSPBMS 718 domain. NTSPBMS 718 domain. Enter key. It will now start creating the domain. There's a logical partition in what this. Oh, what's the problem? Password is not allowed on the command line. Acha, new rule has come. It's not allowing to enter the password. Use admin utility options. Create domain. Admin port number. Where is password, guys? Hyphen no password equal to no password. But earlier used to allow password, Rabab. Hyphen password. Yeah. Enter admin password. Enter to accept default or no password. No, I will write NIT Raja as the password. Enter the password again. NIT Raja. Okay. Now, happily is creating the domain or not there. Let's wait for the success message, guys. Let's wait for the success message. Generating warning with validity of. Okay, fine. That's good. Yeah. Domain created successfully has come now, my dear. Okay, that's good. 1 minute. I can remember these commands later. I may forget them. File, open, Spring class content, Spring. Tell me. Where is that? 718. Spring Boot MVC. There is a document of servers, na boss. Somewhere servers is there. Server managed. No. What's the number, guys? Pagination, mini project. Ayo. Servers 18. Yeah. servers is there. Procedure to configure. Procedure to configure. Procedure to install. Configure. Procedure to install, configure. Glassfish server with Glassfish server with what? Eclipse IDE. Glassfish server with what? Eclipse IDE. Eclipse IDE. For deploying as external server with Eclipse IDE for deploying. What is there, guys? Spring Boot MVC application. Spring Boot MVC application. Spring Boot MVC application. That's great, guys. Come on, everyone. Right. Procedure to install, configure Glassfish server as external server with what? Eclipse ID. Step number 1. Download the Glassfish. What is there? 7.x server. What server? X server as the zip file. Step number 2. What is there? Download the Glassfish 7.x server as the zip file. Okay, extract the zip file. Extract the zip file and install Glassfish. Install the Glassfish server by extracting it. By extracting it. Step number 3. What is there, guys? Okay. Create the domain server. What server? Okay. Create the domain server by using ASAdmin command. ASAdmin. By using ASAdmin command. Here is that command now, my dear. By using the ASAdmin command. Password again. Here also password. You can take any password, guys. N. Okay, fine. You will get the message. Domain created or not. Yeah, that's fine. This is admin port number, username, password. We are not asking. It is asking dynamically. Yeah. Step number 4. Configure Glassfish server with Eclipse ID. What is there? Configure. What is there? Glassfish server with Eclipse ID. How you configure a Tomcat with Eclipse IDE? Here, this also we have to configure na boss. Window preferences. Where is this? Server option. Runtime environment. Add server. Okay, here. Glassfish is there or not there? Not there, but will be coming. Will be there indirectly. JBoss, Wildfly server, no. Oracle, WebLogic server tools, okay. Right. Apache, no. Tom. Red Hat, JBoss, WebLogic server tools will give only WebLogic option. Red Hat. No, in basic, what will be there? Nothing. HT server preview will be there. They are not giving Rababu. Fine. Here, Wildfly is there, JBoss is there. Red Hat, not there. Okay, we got a big problem now. Earlier, they used to give Glassfish server, but in basic is there. That's not this. This is basic server, HTTP server. No, no, this is different, na boss. Runtime building web module. Okay, that's not an issue. Maybe it make forces to install a plugin, then server comes followed by that other things. Okay. Okay. JBolo Chat GPT. Actually, earlier we used to get Glassfish server. How we are getting Tomcat server? It was very easy, but now they are not giving. So not giving, we have to find out how to install plugin na boss. Yeah. How to install Glassfish server plugin in Eclipse latest ID. Eclipse latest ID. Open marketplace. I think marketplace is there at least. Okay. Look for these options. Glassfish tools. Eclipse Glassfish tools for what? Jakarta. Okay. If not found manually, install new software, add name Glassfish tools, and URL location is this. I think nowadays our lucky is not there. Even marketplace is also not coming. Is there or not there? So when not there, install new software. Okay, fine. Add. What is there? Glassfish. What is the URL? This is the URL, na boss. Okay. This is the URL. Okay. This is the URL. No software found at least. Do you want to edit the location? It's saying that could not find the location. Super. Are they supporting or not supporting, Rababu? If the above have does not work, you can also specific URL. I think some more URL is there na guys. ChatGPT is intelligent. Say paste. 1 minute. Cancel. Let's go for freshly. Install new software. Add. What is there? Glassfish. Unnecessarily I touched this, it seems. Okay, say add. Next time I don't touch. These are again it says it's not available. Nothing is available here. Did I copy right one? Release latest, release update. Download.eclipse.enterprise tools.updates. It's saying that no plugin is found, guys. Maybe let me check. Already something is there. Glassfish, glassfish. Apart from that, any other glassfish is there? Marketplace. Very bad, guys. Let me install marketplace. Maybe in marketplace that will come. Okay. I want marketplace to come. Let's see. In marketplace, install everything. Select all is not there, Babu. Is there? Okay, fine. Select all. Say next. Challenge has come. URL is not working. Then let me install marketplace. Maybe in the marketplace I can search for what? Yeah, Glassfish tools. What is the one? Okay. Waste of time, huh? Wasting time, guys. We'll see. We'll see another 5 minutes. If it is not completed, we'll move to next topic. RESTful web service will start. Download.eclipse Glassful tools, this one. This reference as project repository for Glassful tools. Before installing Glassfuls, you may need, because plugin has dependency in Sapphire framework. If you are using new version of Glassfish 7, Glassfish in Eclipse 7. Omnifresh Glassfish 7, it actually maintained, but based on this. Okay. It's not actively maintained anymore. Okay, that's fine. Works with Glassfish actively maintained, very similar to it. How to install this? Go to Eclipse Marketplace is not there. That's a problem. It's not Omnifish. Omnifish is the tool, but the problem is it is working from what? Marketplace. But do you have Marketplace, guys? Not there. That's the issue. So this kind of Glassfish should appear, but that is not appearing. So that is also demanding what? Marketplace. Okay. Glassfish location, all this stuff, that's secondary. But first of all, that plugin should be available or not there. If that plugin is available, we can do something. Cannot perform computing, alternate solution may take a while. It's really bad, guys. Okay. Anyone is having common topics link, guys? Check that. It is having 218 at the end. Check common topics link. Anyone is having common topics link? Is it having is it having 218 in the link? 218, right only, na? Fine. It's not happening, guys. Let it be. It's not happening. Let's not waste time. It's happening. Acha, 15 of 8. No, it's like computing alternate solution may take a while. May take a while. That's what worries me. Okay, guys. Now let's end the module. This is not going to happen. It takes time. You try at home. Okay. By searching in ChatGPT, you try at home. I think now ID got stuck up. Now ID got stuck up. Wait a minute. I have to kill the resources. End task. No Eclipse here. Java na Java. Open JDK. End task. End task.
डर लाଗୁଛି ଏବେ କିଏ ଦେଖିଲେ ଡର ଲାଗୁଛି
Stop this. Stop it, guys. Okay, there is a small discussion. Later we'll end the session, guys. Yeah, if all three servers are there at a time, all three jars, all three starters are there, which one it will use? Obviously, first priority to what? Tomcat. Yeah, here is what? This one. Okay. This one here. Here exclusion option also I am removing, my dear. What option? Exclusion option. Exclusion option also I am removing here. That's good. Right. Stop this. Right click. Tell me. Run as Java application. So right now one server is there. Three servers are there. Three servers related starters are there. In this, it is still working with the Tomcat server only, na? Okay, when multiple servers are there, it is dealing with what? Tomcat server. Let's check. 5051. What is there, guys? 5051. Tell me. Okay, 5051. Test web. Test web. Test web. No, test web app. Welcome to Spring Boot MVC. Message has come or not? It is keeping Spring Boot. When all these servers are configured, we work with this this is a complete task that we want to start having positive output. It's giving the time on our patients we try to go. At least you got idea na. So first we try to get class with server and then start server. Then configure it like how you configure Tomcat. Then run on server, select the class with stuff. But that is what external server. That is not internal server. Okay, mine is connected. Okay. It's really smart process. Am I audible, guys? All that is all right. Am I audible now? Am I loud and clear? Your voice coming like a place like a I see. Again, again, the core problem is 1 minute, let me check the mind. Okay, now is it okay? I know I connected properly. Ask you my system. Go. Speaker, microphone is important. Speed. Microphone to check. Speaking with all and many, so one of it is now check. SCPA starts in. Mr. Ravi can start SCPA from Monday. SCPA will start from Monday. Am I audible, guys? Uniform. Microphone. Now check, guys. It's clear now. Deepika Kumari, first become software engineer. Later you can become poetry. Okay. Now am I audible, guys? Guys, am I audible now? Okay, that's good. Okay, fine. So at least let me open the document and show so that we can wind up the session. I'll give the source code, all this stuff. Check it out here. What is there? Okay, how to work with the different servers and all this stuff. Here I kept some messages. Yeah, first read this document, then we'll wind up the session, guys. Nothing is there. Spring Boot MVC, Spring REST application can be deployed in two types of servers. These are embedded server, Tomcat, Jetty, under Tau. External server, all these possible because Java web applications are Vada applications, right? Okay, we can deploy in web server, in external server or application server. Application server is extension of what? Web server. Okay, these are the list of web server. These are the list of application servers. Application server is equal to web server plus EJB container plus other container plus lot of middleware services. That means ready-made services, guys. They are nothing but ready-made services. Yeah, check it out. Spring Boot is not given to develop EJB component. So we don't need EJB container. So for Spring Boot applications, Spring Boot is given to develop standalone web application, distributed application, nothing but RESTful, which are generally packaged as what? Jar file. So to deploy and execute Spring Boot MVC REST application, there is no need of Java based application server. EJB container is not required. So we can manage Java based what? Web server. For this reason, they have not given any application server as what? Embedded server. Nowadays, both web application, web service based applications can be taken as what? JAR or WAR file. EAR file is enterprise application where EaseAB is included, but nowadays EaseAB is no role. Okay, Spring Boot does not support EAR file development deployment. Generally, we need application server to deploy and execute what? EAR file. To deploy and execute Spring Boot MVC Spring REST application, we just need what? Servers like Tomcat, Undertow, etc. That's why they have given lots of web servers as the embedded server, no application servers as embedded. In order to work with other embedded server in Spring Boot MVC application, we need to disable Spring Boot Tomcat starter dependency from what? pom.xml, and we need to add other embedded servers to the pom.xml are not there. Okay, now this is the in static folder, we can keep these subfolders and we can keep the files, or you can keep directly in the static folder itself. In most of the server index.html placed in static folder will be taken as what? Default welcome file. What file, guys? If we add Spring Boot starter web by selecting what? Spring Web Starter towards what? Creating Spring Boot MVC project, then embedded server will come. Embedded Tomcat will come as what? Dependency that you have to remove. How to remove, guys? By using exclude option or not there. If it is separately available, comment it. If it is there, what? You go for exclude option. What option? And then you have to add Jetty server, and Jetty server will work or not there. Fine. Procedure to use JBoss Undertow server. You have to make sure that other things are there. If all three dependencies are there, first priority to Tomcat, second priority to what? Jetty, third priority to what? Under. Okay. Fine. That's it. We already discussed all this stuff. Fine. Let's end the session. Monday onwards, we are going to enter into what? RESTful web services, right? Tomorrow we are busy with what? How to interact with multiple DBs at a time. By using Spring Data JPA, we have to discuss how to interact with Oracle and MySQL at a time. So for whatever projects we developed using Spring Data JPA, at maximum with how many database software you are talking, guys? But we want to talk with what? More than one database software. This is our requirement, right? Yeah. Tell me how. Where is this, guys? 2509, right? Twenty 5th June, right? Yeah, tell me next one. Spring Boot MVC file upload. Spring here 619. What